Hello, good afternoon, friends. In last lecture, we discussed two numericals on the heat exchanger. That numericals are of LMTD method. In this class, we discuss NTU method numericals. So, first numerical I will write here, that is a counter flow heat exchanger. A counter flow heat exchanger is employed to cool 0.55 kg per second in bracket Cp is equals to 2.45 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius of oil from 115 degree Celsius to 40 degree Celsius by the use of water. The inlet and outlet temperatures of cooling water are 15 degree Celsius and 75 degree Celsius respectively. The overall heat transfer coefficient is expected to be 1450 watt per meter square degree Celsius using NTU method. Calculate first mass flow rate of water, effectiveness, and third one is surface area. Surface area. It is very simple numerical. It will ask for 8 marks in your examination. So let's start with this. Right. First of all, you have to draw a diagram for this. It is not necessary, it has no marking system for the diagram. So for our supposition or for Tc2 is equals to 75, Th1 this is counter flow 115, Th2 is equals to 40 degree and Tc1 is equals to 15 degree. Right. What is given? M dot H. Right, M dot H, oil is hot fluid in here, M dot H used to 0.55 kg per second, Cph is equals to 2.45 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius, Th1 is equals to 115 hot fluid entrance temperature degree Celsius, Th2 is equals to 40 degree Celsius, and what is given? Tc1 is 15 degree Celsius of water, then given Tc2 is equals to 75 degree Celsius and U is equals to 145, it is expected value. So we are going to through this value. Right. First, mass flow rate of water. Right. We have the formula for Q. Q is equals to M dot H Cph Th1 minus Th2. Another formula is equals to M dot C Cpc CPC TC2 minus TC1, right? This is the formula for Q. So put the values, all values in this, compare these two only, right? Put these values m dot h etc. 0.55 into 2.45 into 115 minus 40 is equals to m dot c into bracket 4.18 into 75 minus 15, right? Here m dot c is not given, so we have to consider standard value, that is this water is a cold fluid. So m dot c is equals to, by calculating this, 0.4 kg per second. This is our first value. Second, effectiveness of heat exchanger. We have the effectiveness of heat exchanger, right? Effectiveness means actual heat transfer. It is the ratio of actual heat transfer to the maximum heat transfer, right? So the first CC is equals to m dot c, CPC is equals to, this is heat capacity of cold fluid, that is 0.4 into 4.18 is equals to 1.672 watt. CH is equals to m dot h, CPH is equals to 0.55 into 2.45, which is equals to 1.347 kilowatt, right? Here, since CC is greater than CH, so effectiveness is equals to, we can write as actual heat transfer Q actual divided by Q maximum, which is equals to TH1 minus TH2 divided by TH1 minus TC1, right? By this formula, we have two formulas. We are going to use one formula from this. Okay, effectiveness is equals to 115 minus 40 divided by 115 minus 15, which is equals to 0.75. This is the value of effectiveness. And third one is surface area. How we will calculate? We have the formula Q is equals to UA theta m. First we have to calculate Q, then U is given to us, and we have to calculate theta m also, right? So one by one, first of all we have to find out the Q with the help of effectiveness formula, right? Here C minimum is equals to CH. CH is a C minimum because value is 1.347, and C maximum is equals to CC is equals to 1.672 kilowatt. Here kilowatt. Got it? Then we have find out the R is equals to C minimum divided by C maximum, which is equals to 1.347 divided by 1.672 is equals to 0.806, right? For the counter flow, effectiveness formula is equals to 1 minus exponential of into bracket minus NTU into bracket 1 minus R bracket close divided by 1 minus R exponential into bracket minus NTU into bracket 1 minus R. All these terms, we have all these terms. Then by putting the values in this term, we got the value of NTU is equals to 2.365. We have NTU is equals to UA divided by C minimum, right? So A is equals to 2.365 into 1.347 into 1000 divided by 1450, which is equals to 2.197 meter square, is the final answer for this. It is the final answer for this. Okay. Next example. This is last example. Example 4. Okay. I'll write this example with. It is very simple example. oil, either NTU method or LMTD method will be asked in examination. There is one compulsory question on this NTU or LMTD in have a numerical question. It is very important chapter in B section. So Cp, next question, is equals to 3.6 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius at 100 degree Celsius, flows at the rate of 30,000 kg per hour and enters into a parallel flow heat exchanger, cooling water. Cp, specific heat, is equals to 4.2 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius, enters the heat exchanger at 10 degree Celsius at the rate of 50,000 kg per hour. The heat transfer area is 10 meters square and U is equals to 1000 watt per meter square degree Celsius. Calculate following. Here we have to calculate first the outlet temperature, outlet